doing is with our treasure hunt, and welcome back to the channel. So I am in a collab today with Tina, Life in the Piedmont, and we have these channels that are doing something special. Life in the Piedmont, Jamie's Country Kitchen, the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch, Milk and Honey Heritage Farms, Lowe's Family Adventure, Indiana Backyard Gardener, Talus Treasures, Simply Jan Homestead, Another Time, Mountain Grandma, and me, and I'll put all those channels down in the description. We're doing sliding into the new year. So people are making sliders today, and I'm just curious to see what they're going to make, because I am making something really totally different, maybe, who knows, but it's different to me because I want to do something different. So I have made, it's called chocolate bread. I just added Hershey's cocoa powder to my bread mix. I should have added a half a cup, but I ended up with a cup. So we are going to make a sweet slider. And this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to bring y'all along so y'all can see. You know, so I got my bread. I got it cut in half. And we got vegan cream cheese. I would love to be sponsored, but I'm not. So we're using Via Life vegan cream cheese. So I have this setting so it can get a little bit soft. So I've got this. We're going to mix this up. And I got a can of dark sweet cherries and heavy syrup. So I'm going to get a spoon to get some of those out. And with the syrup, I'm going to add a little bit to the cream cheese. We'll get this all nice and soft. Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, I don't want it too soft, but I don't want it, you know, I want it nice and smooth. And I was trying to figure out, do I want to do something sweet or something savory? You know, so I decided on something sweet. Alright, so we got that mixed up. We'll take us on our spoon. Put it on our slider. Alrighty. Yes, I gotta wipe this off so I can get a cherry. We're gonna get one cherry. Get another cherry. And put some more in there. I have some blueberries, but they're frozen. And I don't want to bite into a frozen blueberry. And we'll put one more in there. There we go. So, this is our sweet slider. So, it is taste test time. So, you can leave it like that, and you can fold it over. You know, it's supposed to look like a slider. So, there we go. Here we go. Doesn't that look good? You have your chocolate and your sweet all together. Now, it's taste test time. Oh my goodness. That's so good. That's definitely a winner. I like that because you still get the chocolate flavor and you got the cherry. Almost like a pie. There we go. I took the top off. And there's your cream cheese, your cherry, and your chocolate. Yeah, that's a winner. Just something, you know, quick and simple and everything. You can make your bread into rolls and you have a chocolate roll and everything. I just haven't had time to make my rolls, but I've used the bread. It does the same thing. So thank y'all for joining us. you know, tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Do y'all have any plans on what you're going to do? We're just going to stay home and celebrate and bring in the new year. So thank y'all for watching. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.